What's up everyone? This is JP with Oracle Lighting here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the new Oracle RGB Demon Eye kit for the 2020 and up GMC Sierra 2500 HD factory headlights. These Demon Eyes combined with the DRL kit make a big impact, as you can see here. And because we use factory mounting positions, the install is very straightforward. Now, as you know, these are very expensive headlights. So we're going to outline each step in detail for a trouble-free experience. We have Oracle authorized installers across the country, and we also offer professional installation. That's right, you can send your headlights to Oracle where we can do the complete install and even other services such as custom painting for your headlight housings. Let's get started. Remove 3 T20 screws, then remove the lower bracket. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees, then heat the headlight for 15 minutes. Use a flathead to carefully pry around the seal to loosen the lens. Remove the lens. Remove 9 T20 screws and remove the DRL assembly. Be sure to unplug the factory DRL. Use a flathead to remove any leftover seal from the channel. Pro tip, this should be done while the headlight is still warm. Peel back the red liner and stick each Demon Eye down to the top of each factory LED board. Be sure to allow the Demon Eye LED to hang over the edge. The Demon Eye with the longer input cable should be on the bottom reflector. Drill a 7/16 hole into the back of the headlight as shown. Use a pick tool to depin the 4-pin connector. Route the cable through the hole. Secure the assembly using the 9 T20 screws. This is the LED driver used to power the DRL. We'll use these wires to test the DRL before sealing the headlight. Apply 12 volts to the black wire with the red tag and ground to the red, green, and blue wires. Then, ground the separate black wire and apply 12 volts to the white wire. Fill the seal channel with sealant. We recommend Oracle Headlight sealant for this. Press the lens in and allow sealant to dry for up to 4 hours before mounting. Avoid washes or pressurized water for 10 to 12 hours.